Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we are going to be discussing adjectives. Now, what does adjective mean? Adjective means when you are describing something that is big, small, white, black, etc. Those are known as adjectives. And in Arabic, you call them sifat. Mawsuf, sifa, mawsuf is the thing that is being described, and the adjective is called sifa, and also it's known as man'ut, the thing that is being described, and the thing that you are describing it with, the quality, it is known as na'at. Okay, so let's go through the lesson. In this lesson we learn the adjective in Arabic. The adjective in Arabic follows the noun it qualifies. That is, unlike in English, it comes after the noun. So a new house, for example, the adjective is in the beginning, but in Arabic it's afterwards. Baytun jadidun. Baytun jadidun. A new house. Just like in French, you have the same concept. You have the thing that is being described, and then after that, the adjective comes after that. In Arabic, the adjective is called na'at, and like I said, also it's called sifa, and the noun it qualifies is called man'ut or mawsuf. The adjective is in agreement with the noun in the following matters. So look at the example carefully. Baytun jadidun. So you have baytun, it has dhamma. Jadidun, it has dhamma. Baytun is masculine. Jadidun is masculine. Baytun is singular. Jadidun is singular. Baytun does not have alif lam, so jadidun also does not have alif lam. If the alif lam was on al baytu, it would be al baytu al jadidu. They both would have alif lam. So there are certain things that the mawsuf sifa have to agree upon, and that's what's going to be discussed after this. Okay, so all the things that they agree upon. So they have to agree in gender. The adjective of a masculine noun is masculine, and that of a feminine noun is feminine. For example, waladun saghirun, a small boy. So you see masculine, masculine. Bintun saghiratun, feminine, feminine. Kitabun jadidun, masculine, masculine. Sayyaratun jadidatun. Sayyaratun is feminine, therefore jadidatun also has to be feminine. Next thing, being definite or indefinite. If the noun is definite, the adjective is also definite, meaning if it has alif lam on it, then the adjective will also have alif lam on it. And if the noun is indefinite, so also is the adjective, meaning if it doesn't have alif lam on it, then the adjective will also not have alif lam on it. Bilalun mudarrisun jadidun. Bilal is a new teacher. So mudarrisun doesn't have alif lam, so therefore jadidun does not have alif lam. Al mudarrisul jadidu fil fasli. The new teacher is in the classroom. So al mudarrisu, it has alif lam, therefore al jadidu also has alif lam. Case, meaning the haraka. The haraka of the mawsuf will be the same as the sifa. Okay, the adjective is in the same case as the noun. For example, هذا بيت جديد. So بيت has a dhamma, جديد has a dhamma. This is a new house. أنا في بيت جديد. I am in a new house. So because of fi, بيت got a kasra. So جديد also gets a kasra. أنا في بيت جديد. البيت الجديد جميل. The new house is beautiful. So البيت has a dhamma. So الجديد has a dhamma. And of course the alif lam we've already discussed. جميل, it is beautiful. Who is in the new house? من في البيت الجديد. Who is in the new house? البيت got a kasra because of the fi, and الجديد it also takes the kasra because of the fact that it has to agree with the adjective. Adjectives ending in an have no tanween. For example, كسلان, جوعان, عطشان, غضبان, ملآن. So basically, If, for example, you had a sentence, Zaydun waladun kaslanu. So that is mawsuf sifa, but kaslanu does not take a tanween. Instead of putting tanween there, you just put one dhamma. That's a rule that inshallah we're going to be discussing later on why that happens. But for now, just remember that those adjectives that end with an, they will not take tanween. They will not take tanween. Okay, so kaslanu, jaw'anu, atshanu, qadbanu, mal'anu. Kaslan means lazy, jaw'an, hungry, atshan, thirsty, qadban, angry, mal'an, full. Going on to the vocabulary, some new things that are going to come up today. Al-fakihatu, fruit. Al-usfur, sparrow. Al-ta'iru, bird. Al-arabiyatu, Arabic. Al-lughatu, language. Sahlun, easy. Mujtahidun, hardworking. Shahirun, famous. Al-ingliziyatu, English. Sa'bun, difficult. Al-madinatu, city, the city. Al-qahiratu, Cairo. Al-yawma, today. Limada, why. And sometimes you can say lima instead of limada. That's also permissible. Al-kubu, cup.